What's up guys, it's your boy Lucas here. Welcome back to another video. So glad to see you guys back here. Recently someone has asked me how they can achieve a blurred background with their Canon EOS 550D. So today I want to show you or talk about how you can achieve this effect, a blurred background like professionals do with the 550D or with any camera for that matter. I'm gonna start with the simplest way, and that is by using a lens with a fast shutter speed, which is a lens with an aperture of 2.8 or less. For this example, I use the 50mm 1.8. I have the subject standing in 3 different positions: the front, the middle, and the back position. As you can see, the background is more blurred when the subject is standing closer to the camera and further away from the background. When the subject is in the back position and standing closer to the background is still blurred, but significantly less blurred than when the subject is in front. So having your subject standing closer to the camera and further away from the background will give you a more blurred background than having your subject standing further away from the camera and closer to the background. Now I know that a lot of people who buy the 550D to get into photography also buy the kit lens, the 18-55, to get to know the camera, get to know the lens. I do not have the 18-55. However, I do have the 15-45 EF-M that I use on the M50 to record my videos, to shoot with. So I'm gonna show you how you can achieve this effect with the kit lens. I shot these photos with an aperture of 3.5, which is the maximum aperture that you can shoot with at 15mm. So it's also possible to achieve this effect with your kit lens by having your subject standing closer to the camera and further away from the background. The last tip to achieve a blurred background is by using zoom. For this example, I used the 24-105 f4 and I shot all of these photos at 105mm. The same principles apply. Have your subject stand further away from the background and closer to the camera. That's it for this video. I hope you guys learned something new, and if you did, don't forget to leave a like down here, punch that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, or don't, you decide, but please do. Follow me on my other social media. Links are in the description down here, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Okay. I'm going in, I'm going in, I'm going in. I'm going in. And I'm gonna go hard. 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 Hard.